Hello YouTube friends, Alicia back here with another video for you of a junk journal. This one is for a friend, and I used a kit from Tsunami Rose, and it's Life Abloom, I believe. Yes, Life Ablom, which is an old kit of hers that I had printed off, double-sided, ready to go. This, like I said, is for a friend who is struggling, and I just wanted to make her a journal to encourage her, and I know she does some Bible journaling and things like that. So I, not Bible journaling about her devotions from Bible reading. And so I used a book cover from the Reader's Digest books. Good grief, I'm losing my words. And I added buttons on the spine, fabric covered the spine as well. I like the way the buttons look. I don't do that super often, but I have so many buttons that I wanted to. And then vintage seam binding on the spine, or on the cover, and for the closure. And I just hand stitched it on through some eyelets. Oh, I forgot I need to cover that. On the inside, I have Tyvek, and then metallic or pearl cardstock and Tim Holtz washi tape. So it's just my standard journal that I make. It's 2 signatures, and like I said, the pages are from Life Ablom. I did not use any ephemera from the kit because even though I believe there is some, I did not have it printed. So I did not want to print anything else off. Just some stickers. I used just a lot of die cuts that I had, and then I made some ephemera pieces from a few other digitals that I have. Just a vellum pocket, some stamping. This is also from Daisy, one of her mason jars. These scriptures are from That's Just Penny. And then just some die cuts that I used. This is printed on watercolor paper. It's wallpaper. I don't remember who it's from. But like I said, the gist of the majority of the digital pages are from Daisy, as I want to showcase her stuff. This flower tag, it's kind of cool. It's from Lindsay the Frugal Crafter. Years ago, I bought a bracelet from her, and she sent this tag with it, and I've had it for all these years, and I've always thought it was beautiful, and I kind of hoarded it, but because this journal is for a friend, I thought it's a good place to use it. And this this bag was made for me from somebody, and I don't remember who, sorry. And it is just a pink tag that was also gifted to me. These butterflies and most of the other die cuts you see are just from the dollar store. I don't know what I'm going to use when I run out of those butterflies. I could buy more. They're still available, but I have so many other things that I want to use that I don't buy more. These are just stickers that I made. It's from cellophane packaging, and I just put it on double-sided adhesive sheets and turn them into stickers. Some seam binding that I ruffled. That bag I made with some die cuts and a sticker. This paper is done using tie-dye. I just buy the powder from the dollar store, and I use it like Brusho. I squirt it on, or however you say it, onto the paper, and then I wet it, and it gets all kinds of really nice effects. Oh, I need to glue that better. Just give me a second, sorry. These butterflies are also from the dollar store, as you guys probably figured. I really wanted to decorate in this journal, and I didn't, you know, overly decorate it because she will be using it for writing, but I wanted something on every few pages at least. And of course I have, as you guys know, the stuff to do it, so why not? Oh, it does not want to stick. This is a vellum piece that my best friend gave me. When her grandma passed away, her grandma had all kinds of vellum pieces and card that she had saved for crafting over the years, and she gave me a bunch of them. So I just, once again, added double-sided adhesive sheet to it and cut it out and turn it into a sticker. And she can journal around it or even over top of it. You can write on vellum. Stamped image that I did and colored and cut out. And this is the second signature. This is a pocket, obviously. Like I said, I really use these butterflies a lot, and I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of them. But I'm looking forward to using some other things when I do run out of them. Another sticker I made out of the cellophane packaging. Trim that I sewed that like to make the pleats. Printed vellum. This is from the cellophane packaging, and I just scanned it and printed it. It's actually vintage stuff that I have. And so I just made a scan of it and printed it on vellum for a fun effect. Vellum pocket. I love vellum. And I tend to hoard it because it's kind of pricey, but I have enough of it that I don't need to hoard it. More of those butterflies. This is just stenciled and die cut paper with more butterflies. Somebody made this for me and sent it to me. Just a to-do list that I clipped in. Another vellum pocket. So I pretty much use butterflies to decorate this journal. This is one of those cards that I got from my best friend. That was her grandma's. Just some stamped tags they made. This is a eco-dyed paper that I did, and then of course I collaged on it and put an eco-dyed tag in it. So that is the journal. That is the back cover. I didn't realize that I pretty much only use butterflies in this journal, but I guess flipping through, I can see that I did. I hope she likes butterflies, and I hope you guys like the journal, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye for now.